भारत में मुंह के कैंसर के मामले लगातार बढ़ रहे हैं। कारण है तंबाकू का सेवन और दांतों की सही देखभाल न करना। इस स्थिति को देखते हुए सामाजिक संस्था रोटरी क्लब शिमला ने दंत चिकित्सालय शिमला को मुंह के कैंसर का पता लगाने वाली मशीन वेलस्कोप दान स्वरूप भेंट की। मीडिया से बात करते हुए रोटरी क्लब शिमला के अध्यक्ष अमित पाल सूद ने बताया कि उनकी संस्था समाज हित से जुड़े कार्यों में लगातार कार्य कर रही है और ये मशीन आईजीएमसी डेंटल हॉस्पिटल में स्थापित की जाएगी।
Is a very historic day, I can say that, for the town of Shimla, because Rotary Club Shimla is donating Wellscope to Government Dental College. This Wellscope is a oral cancer detection device, you can say, or a screening device which will be used by the doctors and the faculty of Government Dental College. Once anybody, he or she, when they go for the treatment to Government Dental College, they will be screened with this device to see if there is any malignancy or a cancer thing in the mouth. So this, I must say, I am very proud to be president of this organization, which is Rotary Club Shimla, which has taken up this initiative of donating this Wellscope to Government Dental College. And regarding this Wellscope, this has been procured by the efforts of our IPDG, Rotarian VP Kalta ji, our past immediate district governor, and with the help of the district 3080, our current district governor, Rotarian Arun Mongia ji. So I am very thankful to them. And regarding the details and specification, how does it work, and what are the functions of this Wellscope, I'll hand over to Rotarian Dr. Ashu Gupta. And Dr. Ashu Gupta, principal of GDC, Government Dental College, he is also Rotarian, and I am very, very proud. This is happening first time in Shimla. This cancer device is being given to Government Dental College.
वहीं आईजीएमसी डेंटल हॉस्पिटल के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर आशु गुप्ता ने रोटरी क्लब का धन्यवाद करते हुए कहा कि इस मशीन से मुंह के कैंसर का पता लगाने में मदद मिलेगी, क्योंकि देश में तंबाकू का सेवन लगातार बढ़ रहा है और इस कारण से मुंह के कैंसर के रोगी भी बढ़ रहे हैं।
At the outset, I would like to thank Amit ji, the entire Rotary organization, my Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology, my students, everybody for this initiative, one-time initiative which has been taken by the Rotary Club Shimla. I'm so happy that they have decided to donate the Wellscope to the HP Government College. Just to tell you briefly about Wellscope, it is it's a cancer screening device, particularly used for the oral cancers. As we know, the incidence of oral cancer is very high all across the country, and if we talk about it technically, it is 6th most common cancer to occur in the human body. Wellscope basically is a kind of device which is going to emit the rays, and these rays will differentiate the healthy and the unhealthy tissue in the oral cavity. The project we've been pursuing it for last 2 years, and I'm so happy that with the efforts of the previous President, District Governor BP Kalta ji.
Oral cancer is one of the leading cause of death in India. It is the 4th leading cancer. So every year 75,000 to 80,000 cancer cases are reported, oral cancer cases are reported in India. So due to the usage of tobacco products, BD, cigarettes and various other forms of tobacco in India, alcohol and viruses, human papilloma viruses, these are all implicated in oral cancer. So more and more cancer cases will be reporting in coming days. So the ICMR has estimated around 3 times increase in the cancer cases. So most of the cancers, they will not occur instantly. It will go in a stage-wise manner. The normal mucosa in the oral cavity will turn into malignancy. So before that, there will be a lot of changes in the oral cavity. They are known as precancerous lesions. So we do get these kind of lesions every day in our OPD. And people who are very prone to get these lesions are likely to get oral cancers also. Not 100%, at least 10 to 20% of the patients will turn into a malignant lesion. So these lesions can be detected early by dentists. Most of the time patients themselves, they examine their oral cavity. If they notice some red lesion, some ulcer, some lumps, so they will have some sort of a fear that is called cancerophobia. So most of the time they don't know whom to go, whom to approach, where to get the consultation. So they can come to our dental college. We do screening for each and every suspicious lesions, because we are running post-graduation also in the same specialty. So we do screening for each and every suspicious lesions, and this will adds up to our diagnostic capability. Doing it for free. We are not charging anything for the patients from the college.